Do you know the reason why you're not consistent in your day trading? I think one of the main reasons that you are not considered day trading as a business. Today, I will help you learn the key components of the day trading business plan. I am AZ, known as Ad Zeros. I'm a professional trader and a mentor. We will together create a one-page business plan that help you set up for success in day trading. I have listed down all the key components do you need to consider for your business plan. The first is the cost structure. To start any business, you need funding and they have some cost to set up. I have listed down all the key costs you need to set up your business plan. The first and foremost, which is the one always ignored, is the mentoring and education cost. I cannot emphasize enough that how much the mentoring and education need and is going to depend on your success. The platform cost. You need a platform, scanners, the journaling softwares, all these gonna cost you a bit of money from 400 to $600, but you need to budget for that as well. You need a high speed internet. You need a gaming computer and multiple screens so that you can monitor multiple stocks at the same time while you are trading. You need a funding cost. As a patron day trader, we need to have a $30,000, and if you put on the interest for 7%, it's going to cost you around $175 per month. No business is successful right away. Nobody has made money in the stock market right away, and neither you will. You need to budget for your normal loss from 10 to 20% of your time spent while you're learning. It could take 6 to 8 months, sometimes 12 months, and it may cost you over $6,000, which I believe. But if you do with the proper mentoring and education, to be successful in any business, you need a revenue stream. You need a profitable day trading strategy that suits your personality. Need a day trading book that lists a detailed objective plan and criteria how the trade identification to execution works. If you need more detail about the trade book, you can check out other resources, free resources available on my YouTube channel on Tradebook. There are millions of traders and the millions of strategies, but you need your own rules to make the day trading as a unique value proposition for yourself. Do you have your trading rules? You have a rules for creating a watch list. Do you have rules for entry and exit, rules for partial? You need to test all your rules, all your strategy as a part of your trade book before you go live. You need to set up your key matrices. What is key matrices? You need a key performance indicators that help you evaluate your progress. On each stage while you are learning, you need to have some kind of a matrix, your indicators that you are progressing in the right direction. And this is very important for you to be objective and be emotionally sound and happier to see your progress. Trading is so difficult. For you to be successful, you need support system, and I believe every trader need to have a mentor for to be successful in day trading, to help you in strategies, to refine your strategies, to help you psychologically when you're having a bad days. It will teach you how you can cope up those days. It help you in understanding the financial market. So altogether you need a mentor. And then you need a segment focus. Are you going to be a large cap stocks trader or mid cap or small cap? All these things need to be part of your business plan. Your platform and broker are very important. You need fast execution, hotkey support, and the low commission broker. If all three elements are there, then you can only be successful trader. Some people do trade with the brokers that do not have any short inventories. Then how are you gonna make money if you do not have the inventory available for the short? So you need to research for your broker in order for you to make money. And high level, if I summarize, your day trading business success depend on how detailed you have planned each of the above component. So How many of the components are missing from your existing business plan? And you know the reason now that why you are not successful in your day trading. If you need more help in refining your trade plan, business plan, and need some guidance, check out the free resources on my YouTube channel or reach out to me for further help. I do provide the professional coaching and trading mentoring services as well. Thank you. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please leave your comments below, and I will try to answer all of your questions and help you navigate this difficult profession with my guidance.